Fresh cilantro, also known as haradanya, is a key ingredient. Mint, or pudina, provides a refreshing flavor. Green chilies, referred to as Hari Chutney, add a spicy kick. Garlic cloves, known as laisun, and ginger, or a drac, contribute aromatic depth. Salt, cumin, lemon juice, and water balance the flavor profile. Cilantro must be thoroughly washed under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Washing ensures a clean and fresh base for culinary preparations. The washing process involves gently agitating the cilantro to dislodge any clinging debris. Clean cilantro enhances the flavor profile and safety of dishes. Proper washing techniques prevent the introduction of contaminants into food. Washing cilantro is a crucial step in maintaining food safety and quality. Fresh mint leaves require thorough washing to remove any impurities before use. The washing process ensures that the mint is clean and ready for blending or other culinary applications. Similar to cilantro, mint leaves can be washed by gently agitating them in cool water. Effective washing involves removing any visible dirt or debris from the mint leaves. After washing, the mint leaves should appear vibrant and free of any residue. Clean mint leaves are essential for achieving the desired flavor and quality in culinary creations. Green chilies are carefully selected and prepared for chopping. The quantity of green chilies can be adjusted to control the level of spiciness. Proper handling ensures the chilies are chopped uniformly for consistent flavor distribution. Chopped green chilies are ready to be incorporated into the dish. Garlic cloves are peeled to remove the outer skin, preparing them for further processing. Roughly chopping the garlic releases its pungent aroma and prepares it for blending. Chopping increases the surface area of the garlic, facilitating the release of flavor compounds. The intensity of garlic flavor is influenced by the degree to which it is processed. Roughly chopped garlic is suitable for blending into chutneys, adding a robust flavor. Garlic contributes a distinctive and essential flavor profile to the final chutney. Ginger is peeled to remove the outer skin, revealing the flavorful flesh beneath. Chopping ginger releases its aromatic oils, enhancing its flavor profile. Smaller pieces of ginger allow for better flavor infusion throughout the chutney. Ginger contributes a spicy and warm flavor note to the overall taste profile of the chutney. The preparation of ginger is a crucial step in creating a balanced and flavorful chutney. Fresh cilantro is added to the blender. Fresh mint leaves are added to the blender. Green chilies are added for spice. Garlic cloves are added for depth of flavor. Fresh ginger is added to enhance the flavor profile. Salt and cumin are added to season the ingredients. Adding a small amount of water to a blender can facilitate the blending process. Water acts as a lubricant, helping the blades to more effectively process the ingredients. More water can be added later to adjust the consistency of the blended mixture. Achieving the desired consistency often involves incremental water additions. The blending process initiates at a low speed to incorporate ingredients. Gradually increasing the blending speed is essential for achieving a uniform mixture. Blending continues until a smooth paste consistency is achieved. Complete ingredient combination ensures optimal texture and flavor. The ideal chutney consistency is smooth, allowing for easy pouring. Excessive water content results in a chutney that is too watery and lacks body. A visual inspection can quickly determine if the chutney's consistency is correct. The chutney should maintain a cohesive form without separating into liquid and solid components. Proper blending ensures a uniform texture, free from lumps or large particles. Achieving the correct consistency enhances the chutney's flavor and overall appeal. The consistency of chutney can be adjusted by adding water. Adding water should be done gradually to avoid over-thinning the chutney. Visual assessment is key to achieving the desired chutney consistency. Small increments of water allow for precise control over the final texture. The process involves adding water, blending, and then visually inspecting the result. The goal is to achieve a smooth, pourable consistency without making the chutney too watery. Lemon juice is added to the blender to impart a tangy flavor to the chutney. The acidity of lemon juice helps to preserve the vibrant color of the chutney. Lemon juice's acidic properties inhibit enzymatic browning, maintaining the chutney's visual appeal. The addition of lemon juice enhances the overall taste profile of the chutney, balancing sweetness and spice. Lemon juice acts as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of the homemade chutney. The citric acid in lemon juice contributes to the chutney's preservation and flavor enhancement. Lemon juice is added to the chutney within the blender to initiate the final mixing stage. The blender ensures even distribution of lemon juice throughout the chutney. Consistent mixing action is crucial for flavor uniformity. The final mix integrates the acidic lemon juice, balancing the chutney's overall taste profile. Visual inspection confirms the uniform color and texture of the thoroughly mixed chutney. The completed chutney is now ready for packaging and distribution. Tasting is essential to adjust chutney flavor profiles according to individual preferences. Salt adjustments enhance the savory notes and overall balance of the chutney. Lemon juice can be added to increase acidity, creating a brighter, more vibrant flavor. Personal preference dictates the final balance of sweet, sour, and savory elements in the chutney. Iterative tasting and adjustment ensures a chutney that perfectly suits the individual's palate. Chutney is a versatile condiment that complements a variety of snacks. The chutney's flavor profile enhances the taste of traditional snacks. Chutney can be served as a dipping sauce or a spread. Different types of chutney offer varied flavor experiences. Storing chutney in an airtight container helps maintain its freshness. Refrigeration is essential for preserving the flavor and quality of homemade chutney. Proper storage can extend the shelf life of chutney for several days. Airtight containers prevent air exposure, which degrades the chutney's quality. Maintaining consistent refrigeration temperatures is crucial for optimal chutney preservation.